Top 4 Best 3D Printers of 2024. Ultimate Guide. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of 3D printing. We're talking about the top 4 best 3D printers you can get your hands on in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned 3D printing pro or just starting out on your journey into the world of additive manufacturing, this video is for you. We're breaking down the specs, the features, and everything in between to help you find the perfect 3D printer for your needs. We've got a killer lineup this year with some seriously impressive machines from both established players and some newcomers shaking things up. So buckle up, let's get right into it. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Alright, kicking things off with a printer that's all about pushing the boundaries of detail, we've got the GK2 Resin 3D Printer 8K. Now you hear 8K, you know we're talking about resolution, and this printer brings it in spades. We're talking next level precision here, capable of producing prints with layer lines so fine you'll practically need a microscope to see them. But it's not just about the resolution, though it's definitely a huge selling point. The GK2 Resin 3D Printer 8K is designed for those who demand the absolute best in terms of print quality. We're talking intricate miniatures, highly detailed prototypes, jewelry, dental molds, the list goes on. If you're working on projects where precision is key and every tiny detail matters, this printer is a game changer. Resin printing, by its nature, lends itself to these kinds of applications, and the GK2 8K really takes it to another level. Think about the kind of detail you see in high-end figurines or those incredibly intricate architectural models. That's the level we're talking about here. And it's not just about the hardware either. GK2 has really put a lot of thought into the software side of things as well. The slicing software, which is what takes your 3D model and turns it into instructions for the printer, is super intuitive and easy to use. Even if you're relatively new to resin printing, you'll be able to get up and running with this printer without too much of a learning curve. Now, of course, all this cutting-edge tech comes at a price. The GK2 Resin 3D Printer 8K is definitely an investment, but if you're serious about your 3D printing and you need that level of detail, it's worth every penny. It's like the difference between a standard HD TV and a top-of-the-line 8K display. Once you've experienced the level of detail that's possible with this printer, it's hard to go back. So whether you're a professional model maker, a jeweler crafting intricate pieces, or a dentist creating custom dental work, the GK2 Resin 3D Printer 8K is a tool that can seriously elevate your work. It's a testament to how far 3D printing technology has come, and a glimpse into the incredible possibilities that the future holds. Next up, we've got a printer that's all about accessibility without compromising on features. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer. This is a printer that's aimed squarely at both beginners who are just dipping their toes into the world of 3D printing and experienced users who want a reliable workhorse that doesn't require a degree in engineering to operate. One of the standout features of the Voxel is its user interface. Monoprice has really focused on making this printer as easy to use as possible, and it shows. The touchscreen interface is super intuitive, and the menus are laid out in a way that just makes sense. You don't have to spend hours digging through complicated settings or watching endless tutorials just to figure out how to print something. It's truly plug and play, which is a huge plus, especially for beginners. But don't let the user-friendliness fool you. The Voxel is more than capable of handling complex prints and delivering impressive results. It's got a solid build quality, a heated bed for printing with a wider range of materials, and it's even got some advanced features like automatic bed leveling, which saves you a ton of time and frustration, and that's the beauty of the Voxel, it grows with you. If you're just starting out, you can stick to the basic settings and get great results. But as you become more comfortable with 3D printing and want to explore more advanced techniques, the Voxel has you covered. You can dive into the settings, tweak the parameters, and really fine-tune your prints to get the exact results you're looking for. It's a printer that's as comfortable in the hands of a beginner as it is in the hands of a seasoned pro, and that's not even mentioning the price. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer offers incredible value for money. It's packed with features, it's easy to use, and it delivers great print quality, all at a price point that's hard to beat. So, whether you're looking to buy your first 3D printer, or you're a seasoned pro who wants a reliable and user-friendly machine for everyday printing, the Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is definitely worth checking out. It's a printer that proves you don't have to sacrifice features or quality for affordability and ease of use. Chapter 3. Moving on to a printer that needs no introduction, a true legend in the 3D printing world, the Creality Ender 3v3KE. This printer has taken the 3D printing community by storm, and for good reason. It's affordable, it's reliable, and it delivers surprisingly good print quality for its price point. The Ender 3v3KE is what we like to call a tinkerer's dream. It's a printer that's just begging to be modified and upgraded. The open source nature of the printer means there's a massive online community of users who are constantly sharing their mods, upgrades, and tips and tricks. You can find everything from simple modifications to improved print quality to full-blown custom builds that push the limits of what this printer can do. And that's part of the beauty of the Ender 3v3KE. It's not just a 3D printer, it's a platform for creativity and learning. It's a gateway drug into the world of 3D printing. A way to get your hands dirty, learn the ins and outs of how these machines work, and really make it your own. But even if you're not interested in tinkering, the Ender 3v3KE is still a fantastic printer. It's capable of producing high-quality prints right out of the box, and with a little bit of calibration and fine-tuning, you can get results that rival printers twice its price. It's a workhorse of a machine, capable of churning out print after print with minimal fuss. And if something does go wrong, which is rare, there's a wealth of information and support available online to help you get back up and running in no time. The Creality Ender 3v3KE is a testament to the power of open source technology and the incredible things that can be achieved when a community comes together. It's a printer that's perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and even professionals who are looking for a reliable and affordable workhorse. It's a true icon in the 3D printing world, and it's easy to see why it's become so popular. Chapter 4. Last but not least, we've got a printer that's all about size and speed, the Eligo Saturn 4 Ultra. This is a resin 3D printer that's designed for those who need to print large objects or who need to print things quickly. With its massive build volume, you can print objects that are simply too large for most other desktop 3D printers. We're talking about printing helmets, intricate props, large-scale models, you name it. And it's not just about size. The Saturn 4 Ultra is also incredibly fast. Eligo has really optimized this printer for speed, and it shows. It can churn out prints at an impressive rate, which is a huge time saver, especially if you're working on large projects or if you need to print multiple iterations of a design. But it's not just about size and speed. The Saturn 4 Ultra is also packed with advanced features. It's got a high-resolution monochrome LCD screen, which cures the resin faster and more evenly, resulting in higher quality prints. It's also got a built-in air purifier to reduce the smell of resin, which is a nice touch, especially if you're printing in an enclosed space. And of course, it wouldn't be an Eligo printer without their signature user-friendly interface. The Saturn 4 Ultra is just as easy to use as their other printers, even with all the advanced features. Now of course, all this power and performance comes at a price. The Saturn 4 Ultra is definitely an investment, but if you need a large format resin printer that can keep up with your workflow, it's worth every penny. It's a printer that's designed for professionals and serious hobbyists who need the best of the best. Whether you're a product designer prototyping large objects, a model maker creating intricate props, or an artist pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing, the Eligo Saturn 4 Ultra is a tool that can help you bring your visions to life. It's a testament to how far resin 3D printing technology has come, and a glimpse into the incredible possibilities that the future holds. And there you have it, our top picks for the best 3D printers of 2024, from the detail-obsessed GK2 Resin 3D Printer 8K to the user-friendly Monoprice Voxel, the community-driven Creality Ender 3v3KE, and the large-format Eligo Saturn 4 Ultra. There's a printer out there for every need and budget. It's an exciting time to be involved in the world of 3D printing, and these printers are a testament to how far the technology has come. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's never been a better time to jump in and start creating. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech. Let us know in the comments which 3D printer you're most excited about. See you next time.